Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Granola versus Fathom. Which AI note-taking tool is right for you? We'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your pick. We do have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And now to the features. Both Granola and Fathom are AI-powered assistants that automatically join your meetings to transcribe conversations and generate summaries. They both aim to save you time and ensure you never miss an important detail from your calls. Highlighting clips. Fathom allows you to instantly highlight key moments during your meeting, which it then uses to create shareable video clips and summaries. Granola, on the other hand, focuses on providing structured and clean written notes. Integrations. Both services offer integrations with popular video conferencing platforms. However, Fathom stands out with its more robust and direct integrations with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, making it a powerful tool for sales and customer success teams. Interface and ease of use. Granola is often praised for its simplicity and clean, intuitive user interface that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Fathom also has a very user-friendly interface, but with the additional features that might require a little more exploration. And now to the pricing. Granola AI has few plans to fit different needs. Now here's the breakdown of their current pricing. You have the free trial, of course, that gives you 25 free meetings. Then you have the individual plan at $18 per month. This plan is perfect for solo users. It includes unlimited meetings and all the core AI features. Then you have the business plan at $14 per user per month. It includes all the features in the individual plan, plus team folders for collaboration and consolidated billing. And now to Fathom. Fathom has a free plan, and this includes all core features like unlimited transcription and summaries. And this plan is very generous and is ideal for individual users who don't require team features. The premium plan is at $20 per user per month, and it has everything in the free plan with advanced call summaries, AI-generated action items, customizations to the bot, and other exciting features. The team edition is $18 per user per month. This plan is great for teams, and it does include CRM integrations, team folders, and a shared library of highlights. Then you have the business plan at $28 per user per month. It has everything in the team plan, CRM field syncing, coaching metrics, and AI scorecards for maximizing call efficacy. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with Granola. It is seamless and non-intrusive. This is because it records from your device and no one else on the call knows you're using it. It has high-quality notes. The AI-generated summaries and structured notes are accurate and easy to read. And it also has great focus. It frees you up to fully participate in the conversation without the distraction of manual note-taking. And this is a great feature. On the downside, with the cons, there is no video or audio playback. Unlike some competitors, Granola AI does not record video or audio, so you cannot go back and listen to what was said. Also, it has limited search functionality. The search feature can sometimes be unreliable for finding specific details. And now to Fathom on the bright side. It is excellent for generating shareable clips and highlights. It has robust CRM integrations for sales and marketing. It has a very generous free plan with unlimited transcriptions. A single-click highlighting during calls is a major time saver, and a strong focus on collaboration and team-based features. On the downside, with the cons, the team edition is more expensive than Granola's Pro plan. The user interface may feel more complex for new users. It does have a limited language support compared to some competitors, and it requires a bit of a learning curve to get the most out of the features. In conclusion, when choosing between Granola and Fathom, your decision should come down to your primary use case. If you're a sales professional or work in a team that relies heavily on CRM data and requires video snippets, Fathom is a clear winner. Its unique features and powerful integrations are built specifically for that purpose. However, if you're an individual or a small team that values simplicity, affordability, and clean, organized notes, then Granola is an excellent choice. It provides all the core functionalities you'll need in a straightforward and easy-to-use package. Don't forget to check out the links to both Granola and Fathom in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.